Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are fine. Welcome to our YouTube channel Divide and Conquer Room Divider Solutions. Are you looking to transform your living space into a versatile and functional area? Are you in need of creative and practical solutions to divide your room without compromising on style? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to helping you master the art of room division using innovative and exciting techniques. At Divide and Conquer Room Divider Solutions, we understand that open floor plans can present challenges when it comes to privacy, organization, and creating distinct zones within a single space. That's why we are here to guide you through the world of room dividers and provide you with a wealth of ideas, inspiration, and practical tips to make the most of your home or office. Our channel offers a wide range of content designed to suit your needs. Here's what you can expect. Number 1, Room Divider Showcase. Explore a variety of room divider solutions through captivating videos that showcase different styles, materials, and designs. Number 2, Die Room Divider Projects. Get hands on with our do it yourself tutorials where we walk you through step by step instructions to create your very own custom room dividers. Number 3, Design Tips and Tricks. Gain insights into the world of interior designs as we share expert tips and tricks for effectively dividing your space. Join us Divide and Conquer Room Divider Solutions as we embark on journey to make your living environment more functional stylish. Thank you for watching my video.